Hello my dear students, I am your Bhawmik sir, back again. I think you must be taking care of yourself and you must be fit and fine. So here we are with another chapter, that is the tsunami. This chapter is from grade 8's Honeydew book, chapter number 2. The first chapter we did is the best Christmas present. I think you got all the explanation about that. Now here, the same tsunami takes place. This is the tsunami. This is an event, and this is a kind of a destructive thing that happened and destroyed many of the lives on a particular, because this is a true story that occurred on 26th December 2004. 2004, it is written here as the tsunami is a very large and powerful wave that is caused by earthquakes. You all know what is an earthquake. Earthquake is a shaking of the earth as the earth shakes, and generally when the earth shakes, there can be volcanoes, there can be many things, means your houses being destroyed, many things destroyed which are created with concrete or something or the other. So whenever there is a earthquake under the sea floor shakes, then a huge wave is created, and that wave, generally you can see the video in each and every part. I have kept a video for you, so please don't miss the video, so that will keep you engrossed. And though it was 25th of December, the previous day 26th of December, everybody was in a celebration mood. Now here we will see that on 26th of December, it has been written here, 2004, a tsunami hit the island. It has been ticked. You see which are the things. Hit Thailand and parts of India. Which are the parts of India? Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. So these were the things. These were the parts which were much more parts of the land which were much more affected by the tsunami. But here there are 5 stories. I'll tell you. One is Ignatius. Okay. One is of Ignatius, who is from Kachal. Okay. Second one is of Sanjeev. Sanjeev is also from Kachal Island, that is of Nicobar group of islands. Third one is a 13-year-old Meghna's story, and you will find how she 2 days floating on the sea, she saves herself. Fourth one is Almaz Javed's. Okay, and she is also Almaz Javed. She is also a 10 years old child, student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair. Next one, the last one, in the part 2 you will see Tilly Smith, who saved many of the people. Phuket Beach, actually Phuket Beach in Thailand. That's the story in part 2. And there is another part 3 where you will see how the animals are having sixth sense and they save themselves and they don't need the help of anybody. So here we'll starting the story. We start with Ignatius first. Okay, starting the story, we start with Ignatius, part 1. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society. Actually, he woke up as his wife called him up, woke him up actually at 6 a.m. There was a shaking of the land. The television fell down on the ground, and the family rushed out because that there was a shaking of the earth, though the tremors shaking of the land only, so stopped, but the sea started rising. That's a tsunami only. Fine. Now, in chaos and confusion, chaos meaning is already given. Chaos and confusion. Two of his children caught hold. Please check the details are very much necessary in each of the stories, in each of the parts. Ignatius is, say for example, all the 5 parts. You need to have the details clear. Now here, the two of the children caught hold of the hands of mother's father and mother's brother, okay, and rushed in the opposite direction. He did not see them. So whom are the one? These two children he did not see again, okay, and his wife was also swept away. Finally he could not see them. Only 3 other children who were there with him, who came with him, were saved. So that is the part. Next comes Sanjeev, who is a policeman, okay, serving Kachal Island. I told you, Nicobar group of islands. So he somehow managed to save his wife and his baby daughter, fine, from the waves. But then he heard the cries. Now you see that, check the story out. Now he though he saved his family, okay, he tried to help out the John's wife, the guest house cook. Here it is written, okay. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue, but they both were swept away. So they both were swept away means John's wife as well as Sanjeev. So Sanjeev and John's wife were swept away. So trying to do a good thing, he was himself killed in that. Anyway, you should be doing good things, it's not that. Now next comes third story. Third story is about Meghna, who is a 13-year-old, and her parents and 77 other people was swept. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. So obviously what happens is that generally during the time of the tsunamis, everything, bits and pieces of the houses float away, break away, destructed. So generally the wooden pieces are generally floating. So she was floating on a wooden door, okay, and 11 times she saw the helicopters. Generally what happens is that the helicopters, you will see the helicopters flying there, okay, you will be seeing the helicopters and floating on the door, okay, fine, floating on the door. She was like this and she must be waving something, it's waving her hand or something, screaming, but you generally the kind of rush of the water, they generally are not able to hear this kind of sounds. So she was generally 11 times she saw overhead, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a dazed manner. What do you mean by the dazed manner? Dazed means surprised, tired, and all these things. Fine. So this way, this goes the story of Meghna. Next comes Almaz Javed. Almaz Javed is 10 years old. Again, same very small child. Okay, she was a student of Carmel Convent, as I said, in Port Blair. And her mother Rahila's home was in Nankauri. Nankauri I have already underlined, please remember these things. And her father had a petrol pump in Port Blair. Profession, that is being said. Now here, you check out. When the tremors came early in the morning, okay, the tremors came early in the morning, the family was actually sleeping, and Alma's father saw the sea water recede. Recede meaning given, already this side, move back. This is a kind of a indication whenever tsunami comes, the water generally recedes. You will see in the video, again I am telling you, the water generally recede back, okay, and then comes up, okay. So he woke everyone up and tried to rush them to the safer place. As they ran, her grandfather was hit by a grandfather. Who was it? The grandfather. So he is a very old person, must be, obviously. So he was hit by something. Obviously, Jenny, many things come flowing up and being on the water or being rush of the water. Many things come, heavy things come and must be hit by that. Her father rushed to help. Then came the first giant wave. There are 2-3 waves like this. Okay, the one wave goes, recedes back. Another wave comes. This is one wave, another second wave. Like this, the wave goes and comes back. Fine. So here, her father rushed to help. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. So who were the ones who were not who have been affected? These two. Fine. So Almas's mother and aunt stood clinging to the coconut tree. Who were clinging to the coconut tree? Mother and aunt. So they are calling out obviously for help, but it was uprooted and finally they were also washed away. Alma saw a log of wood floating. She climbed on it. See, same as that of here you will see of that of Meghna. Same story, huh? Kind of that, but a bit different. The place is different. So she fainted there. She woke up in one of the hospital in Komortha. I have already managed to underline that, highlight that with red one. So there goes the first one. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is very much traumatized. Traumatized means very much shocked. When somebody is shocked about something or the other, then it is because it's a very hard fact to understand that your parents have been done away with and your your aunt is not there. Now you are the single person, you don't know whom to refer to and whom to go to. Fine. So that's the first part. Thank you very much and go through the video also. You will like it. Surely like it. Pomik sir, signing off.